Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Jeff with Precision Public Adjusting. I am at Isidro Mares's property here in Conyers, Georgia. I'm currently on the back slope. Give you guys an overview of his property. And Mr. Mares has widespread wind damage across his roof. That is also an old brittle roof, very poorly ventilated. Actually don't see any ventilation up here. So that's why these shingles probably have a lot of wind damage and are very brittle. I tried to find a damaged shingle, not by any components, any ridge caps or anything. Obviously we have some damage up by the ridges. So today I'll be removing this damaged shingle right here. As you can tell, wind damaged. I'll be letting you guys follow along as I put in a new shingle. I believe it's decently close in color. And I will be using a roof snake, guys. Oh, here, let me give you guys a overview condition of the shingles before we start. And a general, I guess, overview. Shingle condition, okay. Alrighty, guys. Looks like this one's already up right here. Okay. Guys. Got a nail there. These are a little high nailed, guys. Way high nailed. This nail is right here at the top of this shingle. Make sure there's not any more hidden nails. Gosh, man, these are the highest nailed shingles I've ever seen. This nail is almost at the next shingle above it. All right, guys, that should be all of them. Yep. There we go. One thing I do want to point out before we continue, guys, you can already see some of these shingles at the top, the damage that the repair is causing. I just wanted to point that out as we continue. Okay guys, last nail. Of course, the last one doesn't want to go in. Alright guys. Ooh. So this roof snake, not the best tool to be using, but you guys want us to use it, so here we are. Okay. This is where it gets tricky. There it is. Just go straight in. All right. Flush. Alrighty guys, new shingle in place. Like I showed you guys before, you can kind of see the loose granules across these shingles right here, all the way across them. Same with this level. You can see, now if I gently rub my hands across, you can see the loose granules come off. These shingles, as well as the roof snake, does damage. So obviously if I'm nailing in this, the bottom of the roof snake sits here. Same with here impacts, and here impacts from the roof snake. I'll go ahead and chalk this up for you guys just in case the quality of the video is not good. Thank you for your consideration.